is this?
Petrol.
It sounds like gasoline. It smells like it too. How do you know what gasoline sounds like, a boozer? That's a good question. For another day. Ouch. Luckily this carb is like no other I've ever seen before. I'm joking, because this carb is exactly like the other one. Do you joke?
No.
Do you
I'm a serious
understand
person.
joke? Needle. Take the seat out. O-ring on that, refusing to come off. That's fun. Ewan ka kilugan tara. Huh?
What do gang?
No. Like doing this with a screwdriver.
Oh.
How this comes off? Plastic. Then this thing. O-ring. This piece.
Very delicate.
Yes. That's the right word.
That Abuda does not understand.
Culture. Looks cool. Not that clean actually. O-ring. So good on this end. This needs to come out. So this is on the A side. So how many turns? 1, 2, 3 turns.
It's nasty.
The lady has spoken. It is nasty. One, two and a half. Have to get the jets out. This one's going to require a much smaller screwdriver. You ever wonder? You're a weirdo. You're a weirdo. And I'm not the one going around recording people. It's okay, don't worry about it. Maybe Akrish